We went surfing again.
Well, if you don't mind, I might try to see you later.
There's my hair and my eye. I got it. Sorry if that grossed you out.
Hello everybody, thank you for watching this video. I'm going to be perming my lashes for the first time ever. Stay tuned if you want to see how that goes down. And if you like this video at any point, you know, just feel free to hit that like button. Also, don't judge my hair. I know she be looking crazy. Like, what the actual hell?
Okay, so I've obviously never done this before, so we're gonna see how this goes. It's an Essie Lash Lift perm kit. It comes with glue and then the perming solution and then a couple other things. So the instructions say that you want to use a cleanser to remove any oil and dust, excuse me, or makeup residue. And then you want to choose the right size of the lift pads. So these are the lift pads. Looking at these earlier, I am so confused. I have no idea which ones to use. I mean, it says if you have longer lashes, choose the L size, and you have smaller ones, S size. So this is the L pad. These ones are a lot smaller. The heck, where'd they go? Here they are. And then there's like ones in between. So I don't know, maybe I'll do one in between. Cause yeah, my lashes are kind of long, I would say. Once you choose a size, you're gonna wanna put the glue on. So you're gonna wanna put it on your lids, and then that's what's gonna hold the pad in place. And then you'll start gluing your actual lashes onto that pad. Oh, what if I mess this up? Okay, so I decided to go with the small length because we're just gonna balls deep this. I want it to be pretty curly and I feel like this is gonna give me the most lift. Now we're just gonna go for it. I'm gonna be looking this side because on this side, I guess my mirror's right here. Gosh, I'm so scared. So I'm just putting the glue on.
Where do the clouds go, baby?
And it says just to wait for it to get tacky. I like that there's a lot in this kit. Like there's, I feel like you could get a couple uses. Supposedly these results last 4 to 6 weeks, just depending on your natural lash cycle. Something else I wanted to try too is like the brow laminations. You know how they do them like straight up? I think that'd be so cute. But we'll see if I have enough courage to do that, because I don't know. We'll see after this what happens. If I really like it, then I think I'm gonna try it. Just waiting for that to get tacky, and I'm just gonna kind of clean up a little bit. Also, something weird about my lashes is so I don't know why. See, like on this side the ends is pretty long, and then this side it looks like there's a chunk missing. I don't know if you can see that in the corner. I have no idea what happened. Looks like it got tacky, but I just feel like there's not enough glue, so more. Oh shit. Hella glue. Okay, so you place the lift pads on top of your upper eyelash and close as you can. Oh, as close as you can. God, I can't read. As close as you can to the lash line and hold it for 20 seconds. Then you apply the glue on the base of the pad and wait till the glue is tacky and use the brush-shaped head on the Y-shaped tool. Oh, so this is the Y-shaped tool. Okay, yeah, I've seen that. And then you apply the perm solution one. Okay, you got this. Let's do it. This feels so unnatural. It's like, no, stick. It feels so dumb. This is what my eyes look like after I've been crying for like a whole day. Okay, well, this is not sticking, so what do I do? More glue? Sure. Okay, making some progress. I don't know why they're not sticking onto this pad. It's kind of frustrating. I'm like, are my lashes too straight? Is this glue just shit? I don't know. We may never know.
Even in my sleep, I see you in my dreams, beauty so.
I was just reading that you want to make sure to separate the lashes really, really well, because however you lay them is how it's going to set. You put the perming solution. This looks so freaky. Starting to get nervous that it wasn't gonna work, and then I mean, this kit was only 30 bucks, but still I'll be done with this eye pretty soon. There's the hair in my eye. I got it. Sorry if that grossed you out. I think I'm pretty content with this. I'm gonna do the other eye and then put the perming solutions on. I did the other eye, now I'm gonna do the perming solution. Not gonna lie, that took forever and my eyes feel really freaking weird. First perming solution, and it looks like this. Actually, I'm gonna get some Q-tips. 1 second. I'm gonna get it to come out. Guess I'll just shove my Q-tip in there. Oh, I'm so dumb. There's a little thing on it. Okay. Please don't let it get in my eyes. So, I'm just kind of winging this. Straight up smells like rotten eggs. If you've never had a perm, it smells like rotten eggs. Oh gosh, it feels weird. Like a cooling sensation, but it's not in my eye. I'm making sure to not get it in my eye. It says you want to have this on for 8 to 12 minutes. So I'm gonna set a timer right now. I'm gonna do 10. Oh no, it's lifting at this point. We're in it so deep. Just gotta keep going. Just please don't fall into my eye. Please don't fall into my eye. I'm so worried I did not add enough lash glue because it's lifting. What if they perm like that? There's about 1.5 minutes left, and I put the timer for 10 minutes. But I think I'm just gonna do the full 12 minutes because, as you can see, they're kind of lifting off the pad, and the whole time I've just been like pushing them back like this. I feel like that's gonna affect the curl in some way or another. So yeah, 2 more minutes. Solution, not glue, and I gotta put it on, but the instructions don't even specify if I have to take this perming solution off. So I'm gonna do it anyway. I'm gonna take it off and then put the stuff on. So I'm going to leave on for 8 to 12 minutes. Oh my gosh. I look crazy. What if it doesn't look cute? What am I gonna do? I got paid today, but it was a really crappy paycheck. I'm gonna put the 3 on, and it's nutrition. After perming your lashes, it really strips your hair of the nutrients, and so this just helps bring some of it back without ruining the curl that you just did. So the last thing is to use a cleanser.
Someone teach me how to say cleanser, please.
And that's gonna help you lift the pads off of your lashes. I'm just gonna use some of this and go under the pad as well. Boom. That wasn't that bad. It feels pretty sticky. Get a little spoolie and just brush them upwards. Kind of separate them a bit, and voila. I'm excited. It's gonna be nice to not have to curl them. They didn't curl exactly how I wanted to, but also that was my first time doing it, so I'm just a noob. I know my mouth is open most of the time, but if you don't open your mouth when you're, you know, like doing makeup or mascara or like something to your eyes, who even are you? That is the finished look. I like it. It's so sticky. So good. Again, don't mind these lashes. I don't know why they're like cut off at the ends. I think just the way my eyelashes grew this time, they're just growing in. So, I mean, I wish they looked like this eye. I think this eye looks poppin'. So they look like a big chunk got ripped off, but that's okay. I would say I liked this kit, but from watching other videos, it seems like there's better kits out there, but I hope that you guys take care and are staying happy and safe and healthy, and I hope you enjoyed it.
Hey, so I wanted to do just like a quick little update on the eyelashes. Oh my god, it's called a lash lift. This is what it looks like. It's been 4 days and I've taken a shower every single day. I don't have anything on them. I haven't curled them or anything. And I spent a whole day at the lake, so my face was wet the entire time. And this is how they look still. I would say that's pretty poppin'. I don't know about you, but they're pretty damn curled.